A baby asked God, "They tell me you are sending me to earth tomorrow, but how am I going to live there, being so small and helpless?"
God said, "Your angel will be waiting for you and will take care of you."
The child further inquired, "But tell me, here in heaven, I don't have to do anything but sing and smile to be happy."
God said, "Your angel will sing for you and will also smile for you, and you will feel your angel's love and be very happy."
Again the child asked, "And how am I going to be able to understand when people talk to me if I don't know the language?"
You will ever hear, and with much patience and care, she will teach you how to speak.
"And what am I going to do when I want to talk to you?"
God said, "Your angel will place your hands together and will teach you how to pray."
"Who will protect me?"
God said, "Your angel will defend you, even if it means risking its life."
"But I will always be sad because I will not see you anymore."
God said, "Your angel will always talk to you about me and will teach you the way to come back to me, even though I will always be next to you."
At that moment, there was much peace in heaven, but voices from earth could be heard, and the child hurriedly asked, "God, if I am to leave now, please tell me my angel's name."
You will simply call her Mom.
Dear friends, the topic for today's assembly is Mother's Day. Now, I would like to call my friend Raina to share the thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. The thought for today is the future destiny of a child is always the work of the mother. I repeat my thought. The future destiny of the child is always the work of the mother. Thank you.
Thank you, Raina. Now, after this beautiful thought, Gautam and Aarti are coming up to update us with the current news.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are: next president likely to be from BJP. Triple Talaq won't touch polygamy issue. Pakistan Army international news. Pakistan Army ISP pushing Sindhi towards civil war. Donald Trump's approval rating near record now.
Sports news headlines are: Kings 11 Punjab beat Mumbai Indians by 7 runs. The score is Kings 11 Punjab made 230 in the loss of 3 wickets in the first innings. Second innings score are: Mumbai Indians made 223 in the loss of 6 wickets in the second innings. Thank you.
Thank you, Gautam and Aarti. Now, to know something about Mother's Day, I would like to call Tamanna and Ananya.
Second Sunday of the month of May is observed as Mother's Day across the globe. It is the best time to show our love and gratitude towards our mother. Our mother is one of the most significant persons in our life. The relationship that we share with her is beyond any words. She is the source of unconditional love that nurtures us throughout our life. She shows us the right path following which we can achieve anything that we desire in our life. Hence, it is very important that we respect our mother and listen to her what she has to say. Many philosophers have compared her to the goddess, and that is in fact true when we feel the powerful emotion towards her. She makes our life truly meaningful and beautiful. We need to make sure that she is feeling loved and needed always. She does not need grand gestures, just a thoughtful one can do.
It is the perfect day to tell your mother that you love her through and through. Tell her that she is your whole world, as she is really valuable to you. Tell her loud and clear that she is very special to you, as she makes your world a much more beautiful place to live. She needs to get the acknowledgement for what she does for us, and there is nothing better than to make Mother's Day special for her. Celebrate with her and make sure that this time she knows that she is very dear to you. Always remember that our mothers will never tell about their struggles and suffering, but we can always do something to lessen her burdens. It is high time that we recognize the importance of this angel in our life, which is constantly making our life blissful with her love, understanding, and kindness. Thank you.
Thank you, Ananya and Tanvi. Now, Kawaljeet and Rizal are going to tell you about the great mothers of the world through a PPT.
Mother's Day. If there is one constant throughout history, it's the close relationship between mothers and their children. Though different historical periods and circumstances lead to different actions, mothers will always love, protect, and fight for their offspring. In honor of Mother's Day, here's a look at 5 famous historical moms around the world.
Mother Teresa, the tiny nun who devoted her entire life to uplift and comfort the poor, was declared a saint by Pope Francis at the Vatican for her daring services and courage, and described her as a role model for all.
Mata Gujri was the wife of a supreme martyr, the 9th Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur, mother of brave saint soldier, the 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, and grandmother of 4 Sahibzades. Her role in the development of Sikh faith has been very crucial.
Jijabai Shahaji Bhosle, sometimes referred to as Rajmata Jijabai, was the mother of Shivaji, founder of Maratha Empire. Under her guidance, Shivaji became a great Maratha emperor.
Maharani Jayawanta Bai, mother of Maharana Pratap, was a brave, straightforward Rajput queen. She never compromised with her principle and idealistic beliefs. She passed down her cherished principles and righteousness to Pratap, who was very much inspired by her.
Olympias was a mother whose support knew no bounds. She was brave. After her husband was assassinated in 336 BC, her son Alexander succeeded his father. She assisted her son by offering advice about policies and people in his circle.
To the world, you are a mother, but to your family, you are the world.
Thank you, Kawaljeet and Rizal. I hope you know about these mothers before. Now, our class is going to present a pleasing song on mothers.
सबसे प्यारी
Special. Now, few of our friends are going to tell us some wonderful qualities of a mother.
No matter what you do, no matter what you do, how many errors you make, or how much you hurt her, her love for you will never diminish and always be unconditional.
Mother is a great teacher. No wonder we go to school, graduated from a good college, and got that high-profile degree. But the true knowledge of life we acquired is from our mom. Mother is great because she teaches us all important morals, ethics, and virtue.
She is the best constant. Whenever we need a shoulder to cry, she is always there to soothe us and calm us. Moreover, she is a good listener and we can always count on her whenever we need someone to talk and communicate. We not only find peace in her talks, but the solution to all our problems.
Mother is a great role model. When was the last time your mother took off from the daily household chores? Long back, or perhaps never. Every day she gets up, does her rituals, helps you, your sibling and her dad with everything, and then sets off for her own work. Only she knows how to maintain the perfect equilibrium between office and family. Undoubtedly the best role model.
She's a wonderful healer. Remember how she could make an injury feel better even without ointments and medicines. Next, despite all those hardships and tensions, you could sleep peacefully in her lap. It's the magic of a mother. She is indeed a natural healer. That certain reminds me of an old Jewish proverb. God could not be everywhere, and therefore he made mothers. Neither more, but mothers are great. Thank you.
Hug and kiss your mother and tell her that you love her very much. You should do everything to make her see that you really care for her. So don't miss any opportunity. This Mother's Day, grab your chance to showcase your love for your mother. Thank you.
Now, Alicia is coming before you to present a poem.
Who gave me birth on this earth and loved me most and kept her in her heart? My mother, who hugged me tight, reminded me not to fight and cared about my height. My mother, who fulfilled my wishes, gave good kisses and made nice dishes. My mother, who prayed to God for me every day and taught me how to play, taught me how to make scarecrow out of hay. My mother, who taught me how to eat food and told me the story of Little Riding Hood and taught me the things that are only good. My mother, who is the best of all and used to make nice doll and taught me how to play the ball. My mother. Thank you.
Thank you, Alicia. Now, Buzaid and Akshin are going to tell something on mothers in Hindi.
हम हर साल मदर्स डे मनाते हैं। माँ, मम्मी, माता जी, आई या माँ, नाम चाहे कितने भी हो, वरना मुंह में छिपा प्यार एक ही है। माँ के आंचल में है 100% ममता ही ममता। हमारी कोई भी परेशानी उनसे चुपी नहीं रहती। ना जाने वो बिना बताए अपने आप कैसे जान जाती हैं। माँ का नाम लेते ही आंखों में एक अलग सी चमक आ जाती है।
अपनी बात बताने से पहले मैं उनके बारे में यह कहना चाहूँगा कि उसको नहीं देखा हमने कभी, पर उसकी जरूरत ही क्या होगी। ऐ माँ, तेरी सूरत से अलग भगवान की मूरत क्या होगी, है ना? मैं सही कह रहा हूँ ना? सच, भगवान का दूसरा नाम ही है माँ। हर जगह तो भगवान का जाना संभव नहीं, इसलिए उसने माँ को बना दिया। बेशक समय कितना ही बदल जाए, पर हमारे देश के संस्कार ऐसे हैं कि माँ का प्यार ना कभी बदला है और ना कभी बदलेगा।
बताने की बातें तो ढेर सी हैं, पर मैं एक ही बात बताऊंगा। मुझे राजमा चावल बहुत पसंद है। जब मैं और मेरी बहन स्कूल से लौट कर आते हैं और पता चलता है कि आज राजमा चावल बने हैं, तो मैं सारे के सारे खा जाता हूँ, यानी मम्मी के हिस्से के भी। पर मम्मी कभी नहीं कहती कि वह उनके हिस्से के थे। वो न सिर्फ खुशी खुशी खिलाती हैं, बल्कि बालों में हाथ भी फेरती हैं। ऐसी होती है माँ। धन्यवाद।
Get up, otherwise you'll be late for school. No, please get up. Mom, let me sleep. No, get up and brush your teeth. Yes, Mom. Mom, I'm ready. Show me. Yes, have your breakfast. Mom, I'm getting late. Where is my bag? Okay, I'll get it. Where's your bag? Thank you, Mom. Bye, Mom. Oh, just wait. You forgot your tiffin. Sorry, Mom. Bye.
The son went to school, and the mother was busy with the household chores. In the afternoon, the son came back from school.
Hello, Mom. Hello. How was your school today? Where is my food, Mom? I've kept on the table. Okay, Mom.
Time passed, and the son grew older and got married.
Mom, yes. Make us a cup of tea. Okay, sure.
Gee, this is so sweet.
Mom! Don't you know she doesn't take sugar? I'll go get ready for office.
I'm also going to my parents' house.
Okay, enjoy. Enjoy.
On the way to office, the son met with an accident and was brought to the city hospital. At the city hospital,
Oh no, he's serious. He needs a heart transplant. Nurse, go and inform his family. This is the risk.
Eva, you have to inform his family, urgent. Hello?
Hello, who's on the other side?
Hello, ma'am. Mr. Simran has met to an accident. Please come fast to the city hospital. He needs you here.
Oh no, I'm too far away from the city hospital. Please call home.
Okay. Oh my god, I don't have a second number.
Auntie, Simran met with the accident. Oh, where is he? He's in the city hospital. Please take me there fast. Oh, Simran, what happened to you? Your son met with an accident. He needs a heart transplant and you don't have the donor. Doctor, please save my son's life. I've lived my life and I'm old. You can take my heart and give it to my son. Ma'am, we cannot do it. No, I'm telling you to do this. Okay, ma'am, please come to me.
ऐसे होती है माँ. School is a second home for all of us. Dear teachers, you take care of us, give us knowledge and values. You are wonderful mothers to all of us here. Thank you from each of us. Happy Mother's Day. That's all we have for today's assembly. I hope you have enjoyed. Now I would like to call Surji ma'am to say a few words.
What a wonderful assembly class 7A has presented. Compliments to all the children and to Manjeet ma'am who guided them for this assembly. Perfect mood. Perfect mood, perfect sentiments and perfect content to mark the occasion. And I am sure you all agree with each and every word which was conveyed through this assembly. So, wait for this weekend when we will be celebrating Mother's Day. Make that day special for your mothers and remember that her connection with you was established even before you were born, and it will carry on no matter how old you grow. So as long as she is around, give her all the love she deserves, all the care she deserves. I want to tell you one more thing, that the emotions showed in the skit actually does not actually happen. A live person cannot donate the organ so that the person dies and the other person lives. But it was a very, very appropriate way to convey the message up to what extent a mother can go to save her children's life. So my regards to all the mothers and my good wishes to all the mothers all over the world. And as they said, that teachers are also mothers, so give your love and respect to them also. Thank you very much and compliments to class 7 once again. Now today principal ma'am is not here, so I can't give the prizes I had promised to give for this assembly. So you will have to wait for one more week to get your English and other Olympiad medals. Very, very sorry for that.